the regional level exhibition on the Inspire Project Award. This Inspire Award is sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and wherein all the Kendriya Vidyalayas, we have 25 regions all over the country. Each region is hosting this Inspire Award competition, and each region will select one best project out of this. And each child, and in our region, there are 12 schools are given this opportunity. This is from class 6 to class 10. So they are done their projects, and they have come here today in KV number 2 Uppal. They guided by their guide teacher, and the best project will be selected, and we have drawn a panel of judges from 3 very well-known organizations like CMAP, like NGRI, and also from AP Science Academy. These judges will judge the various components of the project and take out the panel of the best 3 projects, and the best project will be sent to the national level. The most important thing about the Inspire Award is this is a unique kind of award to promote the scientific temper among the school children, especially from class 6 to 10, to make them give the awareness of the scientific process or scientific method to come out with innovative projects. And today I am very happy to say that these all the unique 12 projects, the children have come out with unique solutions for the global, just like elements like global warming, pollution, even to make the uncultivable land to cultivable land, and then offering so many solutions to the present day problems basically due to overpopulation. And so I am very happy. The purpose of this award is fulfilled now. And I look forward that this Inspire Award, and one very important element of this Inspire Award is a child who gets selection at the national level, the DST, Department of Science and Technology, is going to offer him a scholarship which will give him assistance, financial assistance till his post-graduation and even the doctorate level. It is almost equivalent to the financial assistance which is given by the DST for the KVPY, Kishore Vigyat Protsahan Yojana. So similar to that, this Inspire Award is at the national level is also immensely going to be benefited, and I look forward that our students will do their best and come out with better solutions for offer to the mankind.